Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe? It's a question that has lingered in the minds of humans for centuries. The vast expanse of the cosmos, with its trillions of stars and countless galaxies, seems too vast to not harbor life elsewhere. Our curiosity and the desire to seek out the unknown have propelled us into the cosmos, embarking on a quest to find answers. The search for extraterrestrial life. It's a topic that has fascinated, puzzled, and challenged scientists and space enthusiasts alike. And while we have yet to come face to face with an alien being, recent advancements in technology and space exploration have brought us closer than ever before to answering this age-old question. From the icy moons of Jupiter and the arid plains of Mars to the farthest reaches of our galaxy and beyond, we are leaving no stone unturned in our quest to uncover life beyond our pale blue dot. And it's not just the work of NASA. Space agencies worldwide, including the European Space Agency, the China National Space Administration, the Indian Space Research Organization, and even private companies like SpaceX, are all investing time, resources, and brain power into this monumental task. The search for life beyond Earth is not just about finding little green men, it's about understanding the conditions under which life can exist and how it might evolve in different environments. It's about broadening our understanding of life itself and perhaps redefining what it means to be alive. And let's not forget, this quest is also about us, about humanity. It's about our place in the universe, our origin, and our destiny. It's about satisfying our innate curiosity, about pushing the boundaries of what we know and venturing into the unknown. Exploring the unknown is a quest that humans have embarked on throughout history, and the search for extraterrestrial life is no different. It's a journey full of challenges and uncertainties, but also one filled with hope and the promise of discovery. And as we continue this journey, who knows what other mysteries of the universe we might unravel? Every day, new discoveries bring us closer to answering the question, is there life beyond Earth? It's a thrilling prospect, wouldn't you agree? The universe never fails to surprise us with its endless mysteries and possibilities. Take, for instance, the recent confirmation of water's existence on Mars and our moon. This is no small finding. Water is a fundamental ingredient for life as we know it. Its presence suggests that these celestial bodies could, in theory, support life, or may have done so in the past. Similarly, the discovery of Earth-like planets in habitable zones, also known as Goldilocks zones, has brought us a step closer to finding potentially life-supporting environments. These planets are not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist. These discoveries have not only expanded our understanding of the universe, but also fueled our curiosity in the search for extraterrestrial life. The cosmos continues to beckon us, whispering the tantalizing possibility of life beyond our home planet. But what does it take for life to thrive? Can life exist in extreme conditions? That's a question scientists have been grappling with for decades. On Earth, we have creatures known as extremophiles, organisms that thrive in conditions too extreme for most life forms. From the scalding hydrothermal vents deep beneath the ocean to the frozen tundra of Antarctica, these resilient beings defy what we consider normal living conditions. Their existence has profound implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. If life can exist in our planet's harshest environments, why not on other worlds with extreme conditions? This isn't just speculation either. The discovery of organic molecules on comets, the building blocks of life, suggests that life could potentially exist in even the most inhospitable corners of the universe. In conclusion, if life can exist in extreme conditions on Earth, who's to say it can't exist elsewhere? This thought propels the ongoing hunt for life beyond our planet. The search for extraterrestrial life is far from over. In fact, it's just getting started. As we speak, various space agencies and organizations are gearing up for some of the most ambitious missions ever undertaken, all aimed at answering the age-old question, are we alone? Let's start with NASA's Europa Clipper mission. Slated for a launch in the mid-20s, this spacecraft will embark on a journey to Jupiter's icy moon, Europa. Scientists believe that beneath Europa's icy crust lies a vast salty ocean which could potentially harbor life. The Clipper will study the moon's ice and subsurface to give us a clearer understanding of its potential to support life. Next, we have the ExoMars rover mission, a collaborative effort by the European Space Agency and Roscosmos. This mission will send the Rosalind Franklin rover to the Red Planet to search for signs of past or present life. Equipped with a drill to collect samples from below the Martian surface, the rover will attempt to detect biochemical signatures of life. Then there's the James Webb Space Telescope, a joint venture of NASA, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency. Set to launch later this year, this telescope will peer into the distant reaches of the universe. Its powerful instruments will be able to detect the chemical fingerprints of water, methane, oxygen, ozone, and other components of a planet's atmosphere, with the potential to detect signs of life even in the farthest corners of the universe. Finally, we can't forget the Dragonfly mission to Titan, Saturn's largest moon. This drone-like spacecraft will explore the moon's surface and atmosphere, studying its chemistry and looking for signs of past or even present life. Titan is the only other place in our solar system known to have liquids on its surface, making it a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. These missions will push the boundaries of what we know and bring us one step closer to discovering if we are truly alone in the universe. So what would it take to confirm the existence of extraterrestrial life? This is the question that has captivated scientists and stargazers alike for centuries. Let's delve into the key discoveries that would revolutionize our understanding of life beyond Earth. Firstly, we would need to detect structures and features indicative of life. Just like archaeologists unearth fossils to understand extinct species, we would need to find extraterrestrial equivalents. These could include microstructures resembling cells, or perhaps even larger fossils. Imagine the thrill of discovering an alien fossil. It's like finding a needle in an interstellar haystack, but such a discovery would be undeniable proof of life beyond our blue planet. Next, we would need to find signs of metabolism. Life as we know it is a complex dance of chemical reactions. It's not just about the presence of certain chemicals, it's about their interactions and cycles. These metabolic signatures could include things like the production of oxygen or methane, or the consumption of carbon dioxide. By observing these chemical cycles, we could potentially detect the breath of alien life. Lastly, we would need to discover genetic codes. On Earth, life's instruction manual is written in the language of DNA and RNA. These complex molecules underpin all life as we know it, encoding the instructions for building and operating a living organism. If we were to find a similar genetic system elsewhere, it would be a monumental confirmation of life beyond Earth. However, we also need to keep an open mind. Extraterrestrial life may not follow the same blueprint as life on Earth. It could be based on an entirely different chemistry or exist in forms we cannot yet imagine. Therefore, our search must be broad and flexible, ready to uncover the unexpected. The discovery of any of these features would be a game changer, potentially confirming the existence of life beyond Earth. This is not just a quest for knowledge, it's a journey of discovery that could redefine our place in the cosmos and remind us that in this vast universe we might not be alone. The search for life in our solar system and beyond is a journey that we are all a part of. Today, we stand at the precipice of discovery, with a myriad of space agencies and private companies propelling us into the future of exploration. NASA, the pioneer of space exploration, is already charting its course with the Artemis II mission, which will carry the first astronauts to orbit the moon since 1972. A leap for mankind indeed. But the moon isn't the only destination on NASA's itinerary. The Europa Clipper mission aims to investigate the icy moons of Jupiter, potential abodes of alien life. Across the pond, the European Space Agency, in collaboration with Roscosmos, is embarking on the ExoMars rover mission. The goal? To delve into the enigmatic Martian soil for signs of life, past or present. Meanwhile, the China National Space Administration, or CNSA, is setting its sights on Mars too, with ambitious plans for further exploration. Japan's JAXA, not to be left behind, is pursuing its own lunar exploration program, while India's ISRO is gearing up for the launch of Chandrayaan-3, carrying India's first lunar rover, And let's not forget SpaceX. Elon Musk's pioneering company is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, with grand visions of colonizing Mars and making humans a multiplanetary species. In 2024, we'll see a flurry of missions. Hera, for instance, will study the asteroid that NASA's DART mission impacted in 2022, offering us more insights into these celestial bodies. But it's not just about where we're going, it's also about what we're looking for. We're not just seeking simple organisms, we're hunting for structures and features of life, signs of metabolism, and even genetic codes. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we inch closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Only time will tell. Only